Hello, crypto world. Friday, end of the week, and the stock market's open, but basically it's unchanged. The Dow's up a little bit, S&P's down slightly. Unfortunately, the tech-heavy Nasdaq is down the most, but still it's down less than 0.5%, and the Russell 2000 has also backed off. So I am going to say the equity market is mildly weak, in part because we see the longer end of the Treasury bill yields have gone up, not radically, but remember a couple of days ago after the CPI we were looking at below 4.25 on the 10-year. Now it's at 4.3. So interest rates have gone up, stock market's kind of muted negative. And with the increase in interest rates and the mildly negative equity market, we see crypto backing off, not radically, but because you can still see it's up on the week. But we had an interesting set of news. Number one, you remember yesterday I reported that Treasury Secretary Bessent came out and basically said the United States was not going to buy any Bitcoin to put on a strategic reserve and would instead just keep the confiscated Bitcoin on its balance sheet. But he clarified in an ex post. He clarified that it wasn't that they weren't going to be buying any Bitcoin. Rather, it was they were looking for ways to acquire Bitcoin in a budget-neutral way. And he still repeated what President Trump said in 2024, that he wanted to make the United States the Bitcoin superpower of the world. Let me repeat that. The Treasury Secretary of the United States said he wants to make the U.S. the Bitcoin superpower of the world. Pretty powerful language. Now, with Bitcoin backing off and the rest of crypto red, but not dramatically, obviously the fear and greed index has changed. And this is barely in greed for Bitcoin. So from the optimistic side, the glass half full side, it has plenty of room to show more greed, and we'll see what happens during the rest of today and then, of course, during the weekend. A very good piece of news is that the Bitcoin accumulation demand has reached the highest level ever. Pretty remarkable, huh? And many of us have been waiting for when the ETFs for altcoins are coming. The SEC now moved its decision, and it's going to be October 16th with respect to Solana. And my guesstimate is we're going to see a delay into October for the ETFs for most altcoins, if not all. Bottom line, so far Friday morning, we see markets little bit down, not dramatically, as more pundits discuss interest rates, etc. And we'll have to see what happens the rest of the day. I don't see any big drama either way happening, but it's crypto, so anything's possible. It's a drama queen, and keep your eye on interest rates because I think those are the biggest factor affecting all markets now.